Types of belt drive, material, applications, advantages and disadvantages. A belt drive is referred to as that mechanism wherein the power gets transmitted by the movement of a continuous flexible belt. Types of belt drives. 1. Open belt drive. The drive which comprises of the shaft's rotation in the similar direction, which means that the direction of rotation is found to be same as the driving of the driven pulley. 2. Crossed belt drive. Cross belt drive, also known to be closed belt drive, and is referred to as that drive which has transmitted more power, but there is a problem that it cannot run that faster. This is the reason which creates rubbing between belts and leads to wear and tear. In this type of belt drive, the shafts are found to rotate in the opposite direction. At the junction side, it is found to rub and therefore it wears and tears off. If you wish to keep your belt away from wear and tear, then you must place more distance within the pulley and also run it at lower speed. 3. Fast and loose cone pulley. As the name indicates, that fast and loose pulley means that there are two pulleys inside it. But it needs to be understood how these two pulleys are placed inside each other. The fast pulley is found to be mounted on the shaft accompanied with a key joint, and the loose pulley is found to run freely on the shaft, due to which it is incapable of transmitting any power. Another term in that is when the multiple machines are found working from a single power source. Then in this type of condition, each machine has provided with this fast and loose cone pulley. 4. Step cone pulley drive. Step cone pulley is also referred to as speed cone. There are more pulleys which are attached to the different diameter, wherein one is attached adjacent to another. Step cone pulleys are used where there is a need to change gear or speed of driven shaft, or change frequently, like in the case of a machine lathe, milling, etc. The diameter of the driving and driven pulley is such that whenever one wishes to shift to another pulley, the same belt can operate. 5. Jockey pulley drive. Jockey pulleys are referred to as those pulleys which are used in the steering section of any system. Jockey pulley is termed to be an idle pulley, which is found to be used in increasing the angle of contact in an open belt drive. This one pulley is found to be mounted nearer to the smaller pulley, wherein we can say that this is placed on the slack side of the belt. It is found to help in increasing the angle of contact of the belt, so that the belt tension can be increased, and also the drive is found providing a high velocity ratio. Applications of belt drive. A belt drive is used for transferring the power. The belt drive is used in the mill industry. The belt drive is used in the conveyor. Different types of belt. 1. Flat belt drive. A flat belt is referred to as a kind of rectangular cross-section which is used at the places that require low power and more speed. Generally, the distance of the shaft is found to be within 5 to 10 meters. 2. V-belt drive. V-belts are referred to as those kinds of belts which are found to be in the trapezoidal cross-section. These belts are mostly used whenever the distance of the shaft is considered less than 2 meters, and is also used for a moderate speed and high power. 3. Circular belt drive. Circular belt is referred to as that in which there is a circular cross-section. These are the belts which are used at places where there is more than 5 meter shaft distance. 4. Timing belt drive. Timing belt is referred to as an alternate type of belt which is mainly used inside in the system to transmit power. Timing belts are mostly found to have a positive drive and is a precise and reliable type of belt. Materials used in belt drive. 1. Leather belt. Leather belts are referred to as one of the most important type of belt which was first found in Egypt. 2. Rubber belt. A rubber belt is referred to as that belt which is made up of fabric and is commonly used in sawmills, paper mills, etc. 3. Cotton or fabric belt. Cotton or fabric belt is referred to as that type which is mostly used in the farm machinery and belt conveyor. 4. Plastic belt. Plastic belts are the ones which are made up of plastic sheets and rubber layers. 5. Balata belt. Balata belts are referred to as those belts which seem similar to the rubber type belts but are found to be stronger than them. Advantages of belt drive. It can be easily installed and removed. The price of the belt drive is not too high. Simple in construction. Low maintenance cost. No additional lubrication is needed. Disadvantages of belt drive. Loss of power due to slip and creep. Cannot be used for a very short distance. Speed is limited to an extent. Works very silently. No possibility of longer life. Thanks for watching.